Hi crypto kings and queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. In today's episode, I'll show you how perfectly the market came up and retested my Fibonacci levels yesterday at 16,700. We came to take profit one, almost take profit two. But when we are zooming out, this is how it looks when we have a descending triangle. This is exactly what we're looking at right now. I'll show you why we could potentially drop down to the support again, see the market potentially consolidate before we see the market actually breaking this pattern. Don't forget, I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue looking at this video. I'll show you what can happen after this descending triangle. So we're doing a quick recap on what was happening on Bitcoin since the yesterday's live stream that we did have, and as you guys can see, the market came exactly up to my Fibonacci level two times, and we retested Fibonacci at 16,685 and $16,700. Market is right now reaching up to this level again, but we take profit one. The market almost came to take profit two. Overall, we expect the market to come back down to 16,460. But let us go to the higher time frames perspective right now, and as you guys can see, we have a huge drop, but we did have the market giving us a pullback during this week. So we've been talking about this for a couple of times, that the market usually consolidates before you see the next drop, because overall the market is in a downtrend. As you can see, we have this descending triangle at the moment. You can see how we have the flat lower trend line, and we also have the descending upper trend line. We can see how the market came back down. We can see how the market was in a downtrend. The market started to consolidate the same way as you can see on the picture. So based on this pattern that we can see with this descending triangle, we can expect the market to continue to drop from here, because overall the market is in a downtrend. So I would not be surprised if you see the market have some momentum at least down to the support at 16,200, and from there you just might see the market continue to consolidate until we either, of course, because we can see the bullish momentum, we can also reach up to the key level 16,790 once again, or we see the market break below the support trend line and then see the market continue back down even more. So the next potential target that we can see the market drop down to is around 15,290. If we are going to Ethereum, you can see that we have the exact same scenario. We have the descending triangle, and we have the support trend line at 18,180. You can also see the resistance trend line, and we also saw how the market broke below the previous support trend line that we have from the weekly chart. And when we continue to go down to the lower time frames, we can see how the market perfectly retested the support trend line from below, and this is telling us that this can with high probability be where the market gives us another drop, and the next drop is of course down to 1,180, because this is also the key level that we do have. And you can see how the market since before have been retesting these levels perfectly. So that is why it's really important for us to use them right now, or for me to use them right now too, because if you understand back testing and you see the market do the same thing over and over again, the market will continue to do things over and over again. We just have to know what levels the market is retesting, etc., and how the candlestick is looking against these levels. We just might see the market drop down to the support trend line once again, continue up, maybe retest the support trend line from the weekly chart, and then eventually break the support and then continue down. We're also looking at the other key levels at 1,030 and 880. This is definitely potential levels that we can continue to see the market drop down to. If you are someone that wants to have a great platform to trade on when it comes to cryptocurrencies, Bybit is definitely my favorite platform. This is a leverage trading platform, and you can also receive a bonus up to $30,030 right now if you're using the link in the description down below the video. You also have it pinned in the corner. When you have this account on Bybit, they are super generous. They are giving out more bonuses outside the one that you can get from us. As you see here, you can get 100 extra if you're trading on spot, and you have so many different tools that you can use here. You have the Bybit Web3, you have options, Bybit Earn, NFTs, etc. So you can go into this platform and just see what fits you. But this is a great platform for anyone that wants also have low fees or zero fees when it comes to all spot pairs. Thank you everyone for looking at this video together with me. I hope you did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time or when I do have my daily updates. I wish everyone a great weekend. Please tell me in the comment below, what do you think will happen to BTC and Ethereum until next week. Have a great day everyone. Mwah, from Sweden.